Hi everyone, it is Friday again, so it's time for our Stars of the Week, and this is our last one for this half term because next week you can all have a whole week off school. So generous. So our Stars of the Week this week for little learners, I have certificates for Rosie May. Rosie May has enjoyed playing a shape memory game this week. She did excellent turn taking with another child, patiently waiting her turn. Rosie May persevered where challenges occurred. Well done, Rosie May. And one for Charlie. Charlie has been resilient and has settled in really well. He has really grown in confidence this half term, and he is always willing to have a go at new activities and will persevere. Well done, Charlie. Moving on to nursery, I have a certificate for Cray. And it says, Cray is full of life and enjoys exploring the whole of nursery. He's very determined and will seek out opportunities for fun and learning. That's lovely to hear, Cray. And one for Xavier. Xavier is a joy to have in nursery. He plays well with all the children and always challenges himself. He is also a role model for good listening. That's lovely to hear, Xavier. Moving into reception, I have a certificate for another Charlie. Charlie has been an independent alien this week. He has been sitting beautifully on the carpet ready to learn and has been making good choices in the classroom. Charlie has been really responsible this week, helping other children in the class. Well done, Charlie. And one for Willow. Willow has been a curious alien this week. She's been using her imagination to create scenes in the role play area and to make models in the creative area with junk modelling. Willow is always inquisitive and loves to ask questions during continuous provision. Well done, Willow. So moving into year 1, this certificate is for Darcy. Darcy has tried so hard recently to become an independent alien. She's always ready to learn and has been trying to join in during lessons. She has been responsible for her own learning and has just been working so hard. You're a superstar. Keep it up. Well done, Darcy. And one for Jackson. Jackson has tried so hard this week to receive this award. He's been super aspirational and aimed high. He has been a great role model by being kind and helpful and completing every task given to him. He has been super reflective on his behaviour this week, and we've spoken about how to make better choices. Great job, Jackson. Well done. Moving into year 2-3, we've got a certificate for Caitlin. Caitlin is a star this week because she's been an aspirational Amington alien. She has aimed high when writing her Neil Armstrong diary entry and is always a class role model. I would agree with that, Caitlin. All the time, you make the right choices. Well done. And another person who makes really good choices all the time is Blake. And Blake is star of the week because he's been an independent Amington alien. He is always ready to learn and always makes good choices. I'd agree with that, Blake. Well done. So in year 3-4, I have a certificate for Ella. Ella has been an independent alien this week. She's been trying really hard with all of her learning and having a go at all her challenges. I've been really proud of Ella's attitude to learning this week. Well done. It's a lovely thing to have said about you, Ella. And this one is for Isaac. Isaac has been a curious alien this week. He's been asking lots of questions to deepen his understanding in the mini adventure. He's also tried really hard with all of his learning this term. Well done, Isaac. So moving into year 5, I have a certificate for Madison. Madison has strived so hard with her Ferris wheel this week, trying hard to improve the stability of her ride and decorating it carefully. She's made super progress with her maths and is trying hard with her spellings too. A super determined alien. In year 5, I've been really challenged this week and tested their perseverance and resilience because they've been building fairground rides in their DT, which is really tricky. And quite often it goes wrong. You have to keep trying going back to it. Well done. This one is for Logan. Logan is such a supportive and hardworking member of our class. He's produced an amazing carousel ride and helped others when they needed assistance. He also worked hard in his maths lessons, a determined alien. Well done, Logan. It's really positive. And in year 6, we have one for Lexi. Lexi has been an independent and determined alien this week. She's tried extremely hard to improve her writing and show her understanding of what needs to be included to make a good piece of writing. Great determination. Well done, Lexi. And the last one is for Kaylin. Kaylin has displayed all Amington Alien traits this week. Well done, Kaylin. He continues to question and challenge his learning in all areas of the curriculum and displays an exceptional attitude to learning at all times. Well done, Kaylin. That is amazing to hear. So many children working really hard, and it's been lovely this week to get around school and see some of the things that children have been doing and have some amazing writing being brought to me from all different year groups. And I can see people are working really, really hard. So well done. Now our planet points for this week are very divided. So in third and fourth place, with 212 and 257 points, we have red team and yellow team. But green team and blue team are way ahead because blue team have 465 points and green team have 476 points. So well done, green team. You are in the lead this week. Fantastic. Right, I would like to wish you all a lovely half term. Make sure you stay super safe because I know we're getting into Halloween season and bonfire nights will be coming up soon as well. So make sure you're looking after yourself and making really good, safe choices. And we will see you all in a week's time. Take care. Bye.